everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Kit Day, and we are about to reveal the newest Softlex Company design kit, Star-Crossed Lovers. And this was for their Valentine's Day kit. It's wrapped so cute. They really pay attention to detail and just wrap the packages so cute. Like their Great Bead Extravaganza Arctic Circle. I've had snowflakes. It was really cute. So it's like a little monthly gift to yourself that you can purchase, or it's great to give as a gift. And it gives us a listing of everything that is included in this kit. Flex in gold, and then we have our metals and findings, a Jesse James custom bead mix, some check glass hematite pinch beads, teeny tiny ceramic gold crown beads. Oh, that's gonna be super fun. And then small Peruvian ceramic red heart beads. Have some exclusive items that are only available in the kit. We have a special clasp and then a multi-strand connector. Oh, that sounds super fun. Some check glass that's exclusive and some ceramic beads. And when they release the new kit, they often have an exclusive Jesse James Bead Strand. It's not included with the kit, but it'll correspond with it. When I saw the Bead Strand, I knew this kit was just going to be fabulous. Most Softlex company design kits are fabulous, but this one just it's such a beautiful bead strand, and I know sometimes the Jesse James bead strands can be a little bit of a, like, collector's item, but I wanted to kinda create something very special with it. So let's see what's inside our kit, and before we open up our kit, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. So pretty. Use that maybe as a tassel or part of your design. So let's see what we have. We have our gold Econoflex. So you do get a lot in this. It's a 49 strand beading wire and you get 15 feet. And these are our ceramic beads exclusive to the kit. They are mixed colors and shapes. So ceramic beads with stars. How fun. Very pretty. And I've seen a lot of ceramic beads on the Softlex Company live sales, and they are every Thursday. So if you're a fan of the ceramic beads, either on the website or in these design kits, be sure to check out the Softlex live sales. And then we have our little bag of specialty bindings. We have our 2x2s, and then we have our check glass large hole fire polish beads. We have little clear ones in between as spacers. So these really do have a large hole. They're almost like pony beads, but with check glass. So you could maybe do like a little bit of bead weaving or crisscross through it. You could probably put about 3 or 4 strands of soft wax wire through there. And then we have another exclusive item. This is the pinch beads. They are the 3 by 5 millimeter. They're half a strand of the hematite pinch beads, and they will be available on softflexcompany.com. So sparkly. So you have just a hematite finish on one side of the bead. And then we have our exclusive Jesse James bead mix. Just looking at this, it's reminding me of Alice in Wonderland and the Queen of Hearts. Super cool. So I'm excited to look inside this little bead mix. I see the flowers. This is going to be a fun mix. And usually, if they do have any left over for the bead mixes, they will be released on the last Wednesday of the month when they reveal the new kit. So I think this one's definitely going to be a fan favorite mix. And you can see how well everything is going to go together with it. So we have our little bag of exclusive items. Oh, how cute. So we have our artisan star. Oh, I love these little teeny tiny heart beads. And these will be also available on the last Wednesday for Kit Day. How cute are those? And then we have, of course, our little ceramic crowns, lobster claw, and then four little earring findings to make two pairs of earrings. We have another star. How cute. Always start designing with these soft flex kits right away. This is going to be such a fun kit. And then we have little tiny some check glass beads. Um, I'm not sure what these ones are, but they're like an AB finish. Very pretty. And then we have our specialty clasp, which is a 13 by 8 millimeter antique brass plated S hook and ring clasp. And then we have our multi-strand connector. And I like how we're kind of mixing metals in this kit. Super fun. They did that with, I want to say the last or the all that glitters kit, and it was so pretty to mix the gold and silver together with all that sparkle. So this just matches. So I think that'd be really cute for like a little bracelet. This is our Jesse James speed mix. You get so much in the speed mix. Um, I don't even know where to start with this. You get these adorable little metal crowns, so cute, and then these little checkerboard beads, some metal spacers, and you're kind of mixing your metals a little bit here as well with this kit. I love these little flower beads. How cute are those? And just hearts and parts. And then you have these really pretty shiny metallic golden hearts. I think if you had any beads left over from the All That Glitters kit, this would look really well with it. And then you just have a lot of glass beads from some rondels, and then these little barrel beads are super cute and they're faceted. So you're gonna get that little sparkle on there. And then just more crystal beads. How pretty, just sparkly. And then these are stunning. So these are drilled. I know a couple kits ago, I think last year sometime, they had some beautiful flowers, but drilled. So you just kind of had to be a little creative there. But these are super cute. This would be beautiful as a pendant or maybe a pair of earrings. So pretty. We have some little 6 millimeter cube beads, and they have a little AB finish, and then some bead caps, and then some more little round beads. So super fun mix. I can't wait to start creating with this from the ceramic beads and the specialty findings. Add in this bead strand for star-crossed lovers, and everything is just going to blend so well together. So for all the items shown today, I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description, as well as information on the new upcoming kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Have an awesome day.